Hey guys, it's Chris from GamesOnSmash.com, and I think it's about time I show you guys what I keep in my dock. Now, what I keep in my dock is my most frequent applications that I use. In a future video, I will go into my full application listing. Now, first, let me start off with Finder. It's how you navigate through all your folders. Mail, I use as my pop mail client. iTunes, I use to manage my music, manage my podcasts, sync my iPhone, and so forth. I also use Google Chrome and Firefox. Lately, I've been using more Google Chrome because Firefox has been pissing me off. A great thing I liked about Firefox is that in the address bar here, you never really had to put a www or a .com. I usually just type in Facebook, and it usually goes to Facebook. Now they've got me directed to Bing, and it really pisses me off. Before, it would either go to Facebook or it would bring me to a Google web page. I'm a very big Google supporter. I think Google is going to take over the world one day. Instead, it brings me to Bing, which is a Microsoft alternative, and I really dislike. What I do like about it is that it has the Alexa widget or add-on, which pretty much rates each website. So here it says Bing is the number 23 website in the world. Let's go to Google. Google Canada is number 56, but Google.com is number 1 in the world. Facebook's number 2, and so forth. Another thing I like about it is, let me go to a video here, put it on pause real quick. This application, or this add-on called Download Helper. So what it basically does is it allows you to download YouTube videos and convert it or do whatever you like with it. You're not restricted to YouTube, so if you're streaming video of any site, you could basically get it by clicking here and selecting the file. So that's pretty nice. You guys know what Google Chrome looks like. This isn't the actual Google Chrome for Apple or OS X, I should say. This is actually the developer's release. Next up, we've got Skype. In my opinion, the best IM and voice chat client ever. You're able to type in, basically instant message people, view earlier messages if you wish to. You could voice call them, video chat, as well as screen share also. Screen sharing is great if you want to show someone how to do something, if you want to throw a tutorial, maybe a Photoshop tutorial if you wish. It's always great to see how it's done. It's the way to go. You could also send files this way if you'd like, and it's a lot quicker than using Microsoft. What is it, Live Messenger now it's called, or something like that? Live Messenger or AIM or anything like that. Also, if you wish to make phone calls, if you put money down on it, you could call any landline, cell phone around the world, no long distance charges. Skype is the way to go. Voice over IP for the win. Next up, I got Audio Hijack Pro. It's basically how I record sound or record conversations in Skype. You could also record conversations within any program. This is a short list. You could create your own here if you wish, or you could select an application. So it basically hijacks the audio feed and you can record it if you wish. So Audio Hijack 9. Next I got TweetDeck, basically a Twitter application that keeps my tweets in order, as well as it keeps me updated with my Facebook status updates. So I like how it integrates Facebook and MySpace in one application. So next up I got Pages, which is the Apple equivalent to Microsoft Word. Next there, TextEdit. TextEdit's like WordPad. TextEdit's simple. It's very quick to load up. That's why I keep it there. I just drop notes down into it, and if I actually want to write an article or write something with something that needs to look good, I'll open up Pages. So Photoshop, CS4 I use very frequently. So yeah, there I'm working on a graphic for my upcoming podcast. Yes, I'm creating a podcast. You haven't known that. It's going to be Gamer's Point of View, real talk from a gamer's perspective. Basically, each episode I'm going to be choosing a topic and talking about it with some guests on the show, but I'm not going to get into that too much in this because that's not what I'm talking about. So Photoshop, basically graphic editing. If you don't know what Photoshop is, it's like an extremely sophisticated extremely sophisticated paint. Close this. Next, you got Adobe Premiere Pro CS3. It's where I make most of my video editing. If I choose to video edit it and I want to go all out, I'll use Premiere Pro. If I'm lazy, I'll just put it in iVideo or I think it's iVideo or iMovie. But yeah, Premiere Pro is what I usually make my video editings on. Right now I'm on my laptop, so it takes a little longer. I usually use Premiere Pro on my Windows PC. See, now that we've clicked on it, we have to wait for it to open. Come on. There we go. Exit. Alright, next we've got ScreenFlow, which I'm using right now to create this video. It records your desktop background as well as from your cam at the same time. And, well, you get, it's like a watered down version of Premiere Pro. You got the timeline and you could edit within the program. It's pretty sweet. You guys definitely got to check that out. Next, I got Handbrake. So if I got any video files on DVD and I just want to pull the video from it, Handbrake is the one to use it. It's open source and it does a great job at doing it. It might take a while, but it gets the job done. FFmpeg X, definitely a great video converter. So basically, video converter. So basically drop your video here and choose what you want to convert it to. Sorry, I didn't open up FFmpeg. Let me show you guys. Oh, no, I didn't open up Handbrake. Let me show you guys what Handbrake looks like. So yeah, there's Handbrake. It asks you what do you want to convert. Where do you want to pull the video from? I don't got any DVD in my drive right now, so it ain't gonna do nothing. Handbrake, very good program to use. Alright, so next we got Burn. That's what I use to burn files to DVD, music to CDs. If I wish to create a DVD on my computer, just select DVD and it'll convert it automatically to MPEG so that it plays in any regular DVD player. Also, if I want to create an ISO image, a disk image, you drop it into here and you click Burn and you're on your way. Burn is a great open source software. Next, uTorrent. Use uTorrent to download all my torrents. I'm not going to tell you what, but uTorrent, great. uTorrent is a great torrent downloading program. Next, I got FileMaker Pro Advanced. I use FileMaker Pro to keep track of all the DVDs that I have on file. Does a great job at doing it. Open database, movie library. So yeah, basically I got it in separate things. I got it by title right now. So title, type, movie, Windows, document. So that's a Windows program or application or operating system. Movie, Windows, Mac program, application OS. Basically I got it by actor, year, its location. So here I got an external 1, external 2, CD, basically like that. Format as well as some side notes. So I definitely great program to keep track of your shit, whether it be DVDs, games, it's up to you. Contacts even. And last but not least, definitely not least, my system preferences. I go in here frequently to change shit. Okay, so that's pretty much what's in my dock. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and I'll talk to you guys later. Cool? Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.